Haha, cat bat. Vintage Madball style knockoff pin. That's a good one. Got yourself a James Rubber Ugly. I have these dead stock Rubber Uglies in my store as well. I don't think I have any more of this guy left, but they're old Hong Kong Rubber Uglies from the 70s, made by Gigantor actually. So they're all dead vending machine stock. I'll leave him in his capsule for you. Kind of keep him from getting beat up. Another good vintage creature, a little Slurpee from 90s UV reactive. I have these guys in my store as well. This is cool. These are these vintage rubber skeleton rings. Pretty neat. They're cool bat face wing and skull and crossbones. They're stretchy, or not stretchy, but they're like flexible rubber. So they fit on anybody, but I don't think they'd stay on very long if you actually try to wear them out and about. I like to use them for like power belts on action figures or luchadors or monsters or things like that, or like a weird little skull crown. That's just me. Let's see. Get yourself a Big Ugly sticker. There you go. They're printed on clear vinyl too, so you can stick them on a window or something. Indoor, outdoor material. Well, that's a good prize. You got the iPop stick and poke pin. There you go. I don't really make these anymore, so they're rare these days, but yeah, I sculpted them, cast them in resin, pins on the back, so you could stick it in a jacket or something like that. That's kind of like weird tattoo imagery, but yeah, very cool. I'll wrap that up for you when I actually send it. Good win. Couple more rubber rings. Another big ugly sticker. And there we go. 4 more to go. Got yourself one of these stacking tiki totem heads. Good color on that one too. If you get multiples of these, you can stack them up on each other like that. I do have them in my store as well. If anybody wants to buy a stack of them, I'll just stick them aside. You get another 3 spins, maybe we'll do another one. Stack them up with. These vintage Madball kind of rip-off monster face pins. Cool. Oh good, I got another totem. Let's stack them up. Those guys go well together. Colors. Alright, 2 more spins or 1 more spin? 1 more spin. And another vintage ring, different style though. This is these kind of 80s or 90s plastic vintage monster rings. Pretty cool. Tiger head. Can make them like an armband on a He-Man or something. They're incredibly small. Alright, thank you so much for playing.